Pulled me coat from the back of the chair, rain in me hair and mud on me shoes. Mary's laughing at nothing at all, Seán swearing the clock's telling lies again too. The fire is low but the talk is loud, old stories grow teeth when the stout goes around. So raise it again, I raise it up high, tonight's that don't listen and mornings that lie. We'll drink till the truth starts slurring its name, then drink once more so it feels no shame. There's a song in the cracks of the wooden floor, and a ghost in the fiddle that won't sit still. I said I'd be home when the moon went down, but the moon's still hanging, so I reckon I will. If heaven's quiet, I'll stay right here, where the pint is honest and the friends are near. So raise it again, don't measure the poor. If tomorrow wants sense, it can knock at the door. We're rich in the night and poor by the light, but saints forgive men who drink wrong and sing right. Don't spill the foam, that's half the story, leaving the glass. Life hits hard, but the pub hits back with a grin, a roar and a slap on the arm. So raise it again for the lost and found, for the ones gone quiet and the ones still loud. When the barrel is dry and the song is done, we'll swear it was shite, then ask for one more. Right.